Unlocking the meaning of keep vigil. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, keep vigil. It's a phrase that carries a lot of history and emotion, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. The phrase, keep vigil, is a powerful one. It comes from the Latin word vigilia, which means wakefulness. Historically, to keep vigil meant to stay awake for the purpose of watching or praying, especially during times when one would normally be asleep. It suggests a purposeful act of being alert and watchful, often during the night. In modern times, the phrase has kept its solemn tone but can be applied more broadly. When someone says they are keeping vigil, they might be staying beside a sick relative's bed, waiting for news about an important event, or even standing guard. The emphasis is on the dedication and attention to someone or something important during times of uncertainty or hardship. Let's see how to use keep vigil in a sentence. The entire town kept vigil outside the miners' homes, hoping for news of their safety. I kept vigil all night, waiting for the test results to be posted. By using this phrase, you're not only communicating the act of waiting but also the depth of your concern and care. And there you have it. Keep vigil is a phrase that conveys more than just waiting. It speaks of a watchful, caring presence, often through the night or during a difficult time. I hope this video helps you understand and use this meaningful phrase in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.